Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and enjoying your days with this rainy season. It is raining today in my area, and there's a cold. I'm feeling some cold, and I'm not feeling so good. I'm low today, and as you can see, we were covering insurance policy topics, and today what are we going to study is about the claims made by the policy. You can see we have covered occurrence policy in our previous video, and I'm going to tell you about the claims made by the policy. So before starting our video, I'll repeat the same thing, that you don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos about the insurance policy. So in our video today, we are gonna discuss about the claims made policy, insurance policy. A claims made policy covers the business based on the policy that is in force when the claim is made, regardless of when the incident occurred. This insurance will cover all the damages. uh, we are gonna see, for example, the limits in the policy in fact in 2010 would apply. Businesses with claims made policies can purchase optional tail coverage. Tail coverage enables a business to report claims after the policy has ended or alleged injuries that occurred while the policy was in effect. Okay, so this was the information given in this paragraph. So let's move on towards our next topic, which is about the commercial vehicle insurance. As you can see in the name, there's a term vehicle. You can guess what it is going to about. So let's start. A commercial auto policy provides coverage for vehicles that are used primarily in connection with commercial establishment or business activities. These insurance policies will pay any cost to third parties resulting from bodily injury or property damage for which the business is legally liable up to the policy limits. There are some limits in this insurance policy, as you can see. While the major coverages are the same, commercial auto policies differ from the personal auto policy in a number of technical respects. There are some differences, as you can see in these lines. And what are these differences? We'll be looking on that. They may have higher limits and or provisions that cover rented and other non-owned vehicles, including employees cars driven for company business. Several insurers offer businesses auto policies geared to owners of small businesses or specific types of businesses. This was all the information given in this topic, which is about the commercial vehicle insurance. And we have seen there are some differences in the commercial auto policies and the personal auto policy insurance policy, which is the main concerns of this video. I hope you enjoyed my video about the insurance policies, and you have liked all my previous videos. I'm thankful you guys for that, and I want to share something, but I'll not share it today in my video. So let's end this video for today. It is enough. We'll be explaining more about the insurance policy in our next video. So see you in next video. Bye bye.